want to talk about this pocket door here and pocket doors in general. Every time I've built one, I've built it differently, I think. But I kept a few things that worked, got rid of the stuff that didn't, and so slowly refining that process until one day we'll have the perfect pocket door. On this one, for example, a couple things we do. One, we're going to frame it as a 2x6 wall. That means we can use studs on the flat instead of the little 3/4 pieces of metal that they sell. Those can work well if you buy them as full pieces of steel, but the little kits that they sell don't work very well. One cheap way to get a better product, I think, is to switch to use these LVL studs or engineered studs. They just stay a little bit straighter, they don't bow as much. So that's one thing. The other thing is to use the right hardware. Here we're using Hawa hardware, which I think is a great product. It's a lot more expensive than your typical hardware that most people, that you can grab from the, from the Home Depot or whatever, but it's a pocket door. It should work well, it should be quiet, and it should have features on it. It shouldn't be, it shouldn't sound like an airplane taking off. So that's what we use. You'll notice here that we paint this. We're actually gonna end up trimming this. You probably won't see it anyway, but it took no time at all to just put a little bit of black paint on that. We'll do that to these studs too, so that if you peer inside there, you're not gonna see that yellow wood. The hardware that we are using does come with soft closes. I can show you how that works. Basically, you throw that, it's gonna get caught, and it's gonna slowly close. If the door is large enough, you can get a soft close on either side, but this door's not large enough. And you don't really need that always.